Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
These are some pork sausages. These are 3 beaten eggs. Some Mexican cheese. Some corn tortillas. Chopped onions. Cilantro. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today, you saw the intro. It's street tacos for breakfast. This is a sausage and egg street taco. Let's put this bad boy together. Meet you at the stove. We have a hot pan. I'm just putting a little olive oil down. I know you don't need it. Some people claim when you're cooking things like sausage, but I like it, so that's how I do it. Here's those 4 sausages. So I'm going to grill these up. So we'll get this on medium. Let's grill these sausages up. These guys are cooking fast. We're just going to brown them on each side. These are gorgeous. Oh yeah. I'd say 2-3 minutes on each side at medium. All right, these guys are ready for a flip. Give them the old flipper like that. Yeah. Ooh. Brown them on each side. I like it. All right. It's been 3-4 minutes on each side. These guys are ready. Let's take them off. Okay, I wiped this pan down a little olive oil on there. Let's get the eggs down. 3 beaten eggs. It's going to be a fast scramble. All right, let's mix this up. Let's bust it up a little. All right. Told you that would be fast. Little pepper. Let's get the cheese down. This is fast. Get this on a little less than medium. Flip it. Turn it around, shut it off. When I say fast, I mean fast. That baby's ready. There you go. Meet you at the counter and put this killer street taco together. Here's 2 corn tortillas. Beauty. Scrambled egg and cheese mix. Put that baby right there. Here's the sausage. Chopped up. See how beautiful it is? Little onion. See that onion? And some of this fresh cilantro. Oh, that's a baby. Do you want to add salsa? I got a little salsa. That's actually from a jar, but it's still good. There's that taco. That's the close-up. And I'm going to fold this over and take a big bite. Can't wait. That's that street taco. Oh. Everything's hitting on. It's the coolness of the salsa and the onions. The savoriness of the sausage. Herbal quality of that gorgeous cilantro. The eggs and cheese. All brought together by this nice corn tortillas. That was good, and they're small. I love street tacos. I love breakfast. I love everything in this. Hope you do too. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
The fresh herbaceous, it's easy for me to say. Magic. Sweet mango.